What's up, guys? This is everything we sold Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's see what we sold. All right, we sold a puzzle. Puzzles are great unless they fall behind my bookshelves over here. I can't remember. Oh, here we go. I think it's a riverboat. I forgot to look at the picture. I think it's this one right here. We sold this for, I think with shipping and everything, it was $29.99. We paid $2.99 for it at a thrift store. Broken Wood Mysteries 2. Are you kidding me? Oh, there we go. Didn't know where it was, but right here. It's number 2. We bought these at a pawn shop for $1.50 a piece. We ended up buying like the whole series. I think there was like 5 or 6 of them. And every one of them goes for like 25 to 40 bucks a piece. This one we sold for $28.88. So be on the lookout for this Broken Wood Mystery Series. Usually this Alcorn, that's usually like a BBC type stuff. They release a lot of BBC stuff. And a lot of their stuff is worth money. So if you ever see that Acorn, oh, I thought it was Alcorn. Anyway, Acorn, if you ever see that, make sure you look that stuff up. That brand is usually pretty good. If you saw my video yesterday, we talked about saw blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We sell 5 of these saw blades in a lot. We got $34.99 for these with shipping, so it must be further away. But we have 2,200 of them that we have about 2 cents a piece in. So this is our 4th lot that we've sold, so we've already doubled our money on all of them. We still have all those left for free. All right, we sold this Blu-ray. I know what you did last summer. We sold it for $36.99. I don't have it here. I just listed it last night, and it's still at my house, so I'm not going to show it here. But be on the lookout for that. I know what you did last summer, and then I still know what you did last summer. I listed that the other day too, and I think it only went for like 15 bucks, but that's still good if you can pick it up for $1. But anyway, I sold that one for $36.99. It's out of print right now. And we sold something, Somebody Help Me Too. We actually picked up 2 of these at the pawn shop the same day. These are out of print. We paid $1 a piece for them. We sold it for $11.99. All right, guys, that's everything we sold Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah, Tuesday and Wednesday. It wasn't a real busy week, so hopefully you guys did better than me. And now we got to think of some other things that we could fill this video up with, because for some reason my phone won't transfer my videos to my email anymore. I have to transfer it straight from YouTube or from my phone to YouTube. So I can only do 15-minute videos. So I can't do anything longer. Man, I got some funky hair again today. I'll be glad to get a haircut. Anyway, let's see what else we can get into. I think I'm at the point where I need to get a helper, because I have all this stuff here to list. All this stuff over here to list. There's a bunch of stuff from those pallets. I still haven't got through those movies yet. Those are from the pallets the other day. Actually, a few weeks ago. All that stuff over there is from the pallets. Look at all this stuff we need to list. I still have like 3 Wii's I haven't listed yet. Those Wii's were going for good money. I don't know if they still are or not. Still have all that over there stacked up the list. Yeah, like I said, these ones here, the Disney ones, are sitting there because I have to fix them. They're scratched up. I have a machine sitting right here. The JFJ Easy Pro Total Disc Repair. If you guys are looking to get a repair machine, I recommend this one. You know, I know Lonnie got one that was like $1,400. I'm not into paying $1,400 for a machine though. I paid $260. Actually, I got mine when these were like $150, but I think they're about $250 now. The prices have increased since the lockdown and stuff. But this is a good machine. I've been using one for 15 years. Best machine for the money. What else do we have? We still have all that Amazon pallet that we had that we still have to go through. There's just not enough time in the day to do everything. To tell you the truth. said, you saw I had all this stuff cleaned up a few weeks ago. I still have to get rid of this drum machine or drum kit. I just picked this up the other day. It's been a few weeks actually. A Wii with a Wii Fit board and a 1983 Cowboys poster. I need to get that listed. And then here's we're going through some cards that we bought. I think I paid like $50 for all those cards. And here's some this is all VHSs. We got all that off that pallet. It's all Disney VHSs. There's some shoes we have to list. There's some more of my death pile. I still have some nice stuff in the death pile. I just need to get it listed. Alright, I told you about those saw blades that I get. Like I said, I had 2,200 of them I paid $44 for. Like I said, we've already sold, this is our fourth lot of $30 piece. We've already sold $120 worth, so we've more than doubled our money and paid for everything. But here's how I ship them. There's 5 of them. Priority Mail makes these like little poster tubes, and I just wrap some kind of packing around them so they don't go through it, and you just fold this box up. Let me show you what it looks like when it's folded up. There. You just fold it up into a little square. I just added a little more thing in there so it won't shake. It's just a little square like that. And it just goes by the pound. I think this is going to be about £2 rate. But yeah, it's just quick, simple, and easy. And that's what, when I bought those blades, I had this in mind because I knew it wouldn't take long to pack. So I'm really spending no time on this at all. Now the puzzle, how I shipped it, eBay has these boxes that you can order. Like well, these aren't it. These are ones I actually paid for, but there's some like they're brown and they say eBay, and they're just like this. They fold up and make little squares, and that's what this is. Except it's an eBay branded one. But anyway, eBay sells these. You can use them for if you have a store, you get like $25 or $50, free shipping supplies. And I usually get like 100 of these, but these are really nice. You just put a little bit of bubble wrap around the puzzle, put the puzzle in there, close the 4 flaps, and boom, it's done. Just tape around it. I usually tape around it so water can't get in the cracks. But yeah, that's all you do. It took me literally 2 seconds to pack that up. It was an anime. But we picked it up off a guy that was going out of business at a flea market for $2, and we sold it for $9.23. But most of his stuff we were getting like 20 to 40 bucks for, so this is one of the cheaper ones. What's up, guys? Here's everything we sold Wednesday and Thursday. We didn't sell a whole lot, but hey, let's see what we sold. Right before I got in camera, I went to take a drink out of my handy little thing here. I popped the top and boom, I got water all over me, so hopefully you guys don't see that. Oh, I just showed it to you. All right, let's get to it. We sold Eddie and the Cruisers 1 and 2 on Blu-ray. We bought a whole bunch of Blu-rays from a guy the other day, and they were all really good ones. He sold me some stuff before. Stuff before was even better, but he's a good collector. He knows good stuff. But I think we ended up giving him $1 for this, and we sold it for $18.88. Quickly, it sold in like 2 days. We sold the I Still Know What You Did Last Summer. I got this from him also, and this is the one I was telling you about yesterday that sells for decent money. Because I sold the one before that. I Know What You Did Last Summer yesterday. But we sold this one. We paid $1 for it, and we sold it for $13.99. Sold a Lord of the Flies PS3. No, not Lord of the Flies. Lord of the Rings. I'm thinking of a Lord of the Flies movie. All right, Lord of the Rings. We paid, I believe, $2.50 for this at the Family Video, and we sold it for $18.99. We sold a battery Can't remember where I put the battery. It doesn't usually take me too long to find stuff. I think it might be in here somewhere. Ah, there we go. See, we got all kinds of stuff in here, just hodgepodge. But we sold this battery right here. We bought this at a thrift store. I believe they had $3.99 on it, maybe $4.99 at the most. It was like $4 or $5. I didn't even look it up. I was like, man, this thing's got to be worth something. It's pretty old because KB Toys hasn't been around forever. They haven't been around for what, 20 years? But we sold this for $28.99 shipped. It's probably gonna have to go priority. We sold a Cody Rhodes autograph photo. It's Ruby Sky, so it's gonna be past her. Can't remember his name. Nope, it's gonna be before. I'm going. There we go. I think that's the only one I have. All right, we sold this Cody Rhodes autograph. We paid $4.99 for it, and we sold it for $16.99. All right, we sold a Kevin McNally autograph Pirates of the Caribbean photo. I just saw it. There we go. This is a nice photo. I really like this one. It's actually got Johnny Depp in it from Pirates of the Caribbean. And I believe we paid $5 for this, and we sold it for $19.99. Alright guys, if I ever stop posting videos, this is the reason right here. This fan fell on my head and I am no longer with us.